Jeez, that's just fucking insane. One of the craziest things about living in a big ass building is sometimes I forget where to park. So I was on the 6th floor, I gotta walk up to the 7th floor. But anyways, you don't care about all that stuff. What's going on, guys? It's your man DeAndre here, and I'm gonna show you exactly what I do to own a GTR at 24 years old. Let's run it. Every time I travel, I actually manifest this spot where nobody parks next to me. I don't like anybody parking next to it. It's so beautiful. So this is my GTR. It is a 2012. I bought it with 10,500 miles on it. OMG, let me get the lighting better. Alright guys, 444. Hey, we're manifesting out here. Alrighty guys, so just hopped in the GTR. What I was explaining was a little loud. So right now I have a 2012 Nissan GTR. I bought it here in Florida about 5 months ago. It had 10,500 miles on it. Right now we got about 14,800 miles, so I've driven it quite a bit. I bought this with all the stuff on it. So right now we have full bolt-on stage 2, pushing about 700 horsepower. I haven't put on a dyno. I definitely want to put on a dyno, but after I got an ECU tune and stuff like that, we were rocking and rolling. I raced a couple Hellcats. I raced a Hellcat this week on the freeway. Smoked him. Smoked Porsche turbos. And smoked Lamborghini Huracans. So I've not lost to a car yet, but these are all rolling races. Haven't done anything off the line. So that's enough about the car. So what is it that I actually do? I'm 24 years old, if you guys remember. 24 years old. How is it that I am able to afford a Nissan GTR? For those of you that want to know the numbers really quickly, I did finance a vehicle because why would you pay cash for a car like this? Especially if you're running a business. You want to be able to be liquid and keep your cash in the business, growing your business, not in a freaking car. So the car was $68,000 with taxes. Came out to like $73K. I put about $25,000 down cash, and I financed the rest, which is about $900 a month. My insurance is about $500 a month, because some of you be geeking out on that shit. And sometimes I'd be geeking out on that stuff. So far as this car's been amazing, guys. It's amazing daily driver. Right now I'm like rolling down the my apartment. There's like I park on the 7th floor, so I'm like going down 7 levels, right? But guys, what an amazing car. Here's why. I feel comfortable. I had a C63 AMG when I was like 20 years old, and let me tell you, that car scared the shit out of me. Anytime you would step on the gas, you would lose the back tires. Guys, this is one of the most planted cars that I've ever driven. It's obviously 4-wheel drive, but I feel so confident driving this car. When I'm hitting corners, even in the rain, I'm not gonna lie, a couple times I lost it in the rain, and the traction control hit it, and I got myself back. So I feel very confident driving this car. Obviously, I daily drive this car. Gas is very good. It's a 6-cylinder. But guys, what a hell of a car. And the looks I get. So obviously this is not a stock looking GTR. The guy that got it before me, he was like a successful lawyer or something like that from Georgia, and he put like maybe I'll show you guys right now. We'll probably show you right now. You guys are looking at it right now. So I got the carbon fiber wing in the back. I put the little carbon fiber things on the bumper. What else we got? I put an exhaust on it. We got an ECU tune that shoots flames. What else we got? We got the carbon fiber front lip. We got the carbon fiber on the steering wheel right here. So it's a hell of a car. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna open this up. We're gonna put it in race mode. I only drive in race mode. We got race mode suspension and race transmission, and we drive it in manual mode. It shoots flames at the back. What a hell of an exhaust. one of the things I love about this car is the is the looks I get. I love attention. That's one of the things. So if you don't like attention, don't get this car. But if you do like the way people look at you, as long as it's a beautiful driving car, you're gonna love the GTR, especially when you soup it up like this. All right, let's get a little sound going. We're gonna take a left downtown so you can actually hear this thing roaring in between the buildings. So what is it that I do? I am a consultant. I'm a business consultant, a performance consultant with my mentor Bob Proctor. So if you guys have seen my channel before, make sure you subscribe below. By the way, hit that like button. So if you guys have seen my channel before, you guys already know that just 11 months ago I was sleeping in my car and had my first $100,000 month within 45 days of meeting my mentor Bob Proctor. And huge shifts started to happen when I started reprogramming my mind for success. So basically what I do is I help people reprogram their mindset to really go out there and attract the wealth that they really want, to perform better in business, to perform better in their relationship, and to really create the dream life that they really want. And I started manifesting not only, you know, I became a testimonial of this information from my mentor Bob, because I started learning these principles and I used these principles to manifest the life that I wanted. I said I wanted to earn $100,000 a month. I said I wanted to wear some of the best fashions in the world, and guess what? That's exactly how I live my life now and travel, you know, in the process of doing that. So let's take a little break and let's get some audio going down this way. Let's see what the cop says. He's probably not gonna be too happy about that. You can keep filming though. But anyways, guys, so I was just revving right now with the cop right here. So let's see, make sure we're good to go. But anyways, guys, so basically, I'm a performance consultant. Everybody say hi to the cop. I'm so crazy, we got that on video. Alright, so basically I'm a business performance consultant where I help people really expand their business, expand their mindset. We're gonna hop on the freeway. So while we're sitting in traffic, one of the things I really like about daily driving this car is that it's obviously an automatic. I have another car, I have an Audi, and it's a manual. And let me tell you, when I was living in Miami, just hitting that, that looks funny. But when I was hitting that manual, guys, it was a little torturous. But guys, the transmission, the way I have this thing tuned right now, we're looking absolutely amazing. So short story short, fam, is I am a business performance consultant. I help people manifest their life. And I highly recommend, if you guys want a GTR like this, one of the best ways to get it, especially if you're young, is to start your own business. I've been an entrepreneur for 5 years. I struggled for 5 years, and then my life really took off in year 5. So just be patient, start your own business, work for yourself. I'm always expanding, looking for more people too. So, if this is something that if you want to get into, like coaching, manifestation, helping people perform better. If you like Tony Robbins, Bob Proctor, any of those guys, reach out to me either on Instagram or in the comment section below. And we're always looking to expand. We're always looking for great people. But if you want to get your dream car, make sure you start your own business. It's the best way to earn money quickly. Think about this. So this year, I'm about $500,000. Tell me what 24-year-old working a job will be able to get a GTR earning $500,000 at 24 years old? It's not going to happen. All right, so let's hit this right here, guys. So what you guys are hearing right now is the popcorn effect, all right? So there's this funny thing about GTRs. When you tune them up and you put an exhaust on it, you get the popcorn effect, where you start shooting flames out the freaking back. So those pops are actually flames that are coming out the back. So the GTR is one of the most tunable cars, and I think that's why there's such a car culture behind it. Now, for those of you that are super into the culture of GTRs and all this stuff, I'm not gonna lie, I don't know about all the nitty gritty small things. All I know is I fucking make the money to afford it. I fucking make the money to afford the cars. Now, saying you can do the same, but all I'm saying is I don't know all the technical shit that's on the car. All I know is I love to drive it. It's a great driver's car. We got flames at the back, and it's a great car at 24 years old, because when I was thinking about what car do I want to buy, it was between an M3, a GTR, and an Audi R8. And here's why I chose the GTR. The M3 is a nice car, but guess what? At my income level, I just didn't want a BMW. Like, everybody has a BMW, right? Especially an M3. And quite frankly, girls can't tell the difference between an M3 and a regular BMW, right? So let's talk about the Audi. I was looking at the Audi R8. Now, I could afford the Audi R8, but I was thinking about practicality, right? This GTR is super practical, right? I got seats in the back. I got a full-size trunk. So I was like, man, and I only have one car right here in Miami. My Audi's in California. So when I was looking at, I need one car. What is the best car for me to get that I could get multiple people in it, have a full-size trunk, and it was more affordable to repair, because this is a Nissan, right? Even though I'm pushing 700 horsepower and I have the exotic car look, it's still a Nissan at the end of the day, so it's very economical to get the things repaired on it, which is why I went ahead with to go with the GTR for those reasons. Practicality. Am I still gonna get the Audi R8? Probably not. Next, I'm getting the Aventador Lamborghini. I'm gonna get it in green, a Roadster, probably in the next 6 months. But practicality, performance, looks, easy to get repairs. But guys, what a hell of a car with 4-wheel drive, the sound, the smell. This fucking smells insane right now. I can hear that I'm on 93 gas right now. I'm 93 octane, and it smells insane. But what of a hell of a car for $73,000, $900 car payment. I highly recommend it. So guys, this is what I do at 24 years old to have earned, and to have purchased a Nissan GTR. Make sure you subscribe below, hit that like button. We're sitting in traffic right now. So we'll probably hit some straights on the way back. I'll see you guys next time. DeAndre Saxon out.